Hey, it's Shelly from Best Buy's blog. I've just unboxed the Rachio 3 8-zone smart sprinkler controller. The Rachio 3 is a smart sprinkler controller that works with your current landscape sprinklers, so your underground sprinkler system. And this one has 8 zones so that you can use it with 8 different sprinkler locations. In the box, you will see the controller itself, and you also get a manual, several drywall plugs and screws, as well as a power plug. Depending on where your current control is for your underground sprinklers, you may need to install outside. It is an indoor device though, so you can't get it wet, and you'll need to add a weatherproof enclosure for it just in case you do have to have it outside, and that will protect it from the rain and the snow. According to the documentation included, it should only take about 30 minutes to install this. So what you'll do is open it up and take a look at the inside, and there are different easy press connectors that you will install your wiring from your underground sprinklers. It takes 14 gauge or 18 gauge wire, so you have a little bit of versatility there. This is the manual button, so if you don't want to control it via the app, you can use the manual button on the controller. Once it's wired to your underground sprinklers, you can connect it to the app, and when you do that and you plug it into power, you have full control via your phone or tablet over your underground sprinkler system. You can start, stop, pause, or skip a watering. You can assign each sprinkler to a zone within the app, and then you can let it adjust the watering schedule for you. Or you can actually use your plant location. So for example, if your plants are in a very sunny location and you would like those plants to get more water than your shrubs, which are in a shadier location, you can set your schedule for that. The Rachio 3 also has something called intelligent weather technology on board. So what that will do is look at all of the data for your weather. It has satellite data as well as weather stations and any radar, and it can assess the weather for you. So that means that your controller will actually monitor the weather, and if it's raining, it will turn your water off. You can also use the weather data in the app and monitor the weather yourself. So there will be a screen in the app that will just show you what the week ahead will look like, and you can adjust your water accordingly. I did take a look at the included manual, and it seems like a very simple install. I don't think that the average person would have a hard time with this. I think it would be very easy to set up. The Rachio 3 will also integrate into your smart home systems, so it is compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, as well as IFTTT and HomeKit and Nest. You can save approximately 20% on your water use. And given that we're all conserving water now and that the summers seem to be getting hotter, that is a great system to have. That's it for my unboxing and overview of the Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller. You can find a 8-zone controller and a 16-zone controller at Best Buy. You can also see my full overview at Best Buy's blog. Thanks for watching.